Hello dear friends. Today we decorate a cake for a woman. So let's get started. Sponge cake itself. In a layer of buttercream with boiled condensed milk. Its diameter is 26 centimeters. The cake needs to be sent to the refrigerator at least 4 to 5 hours before decoration, better at night. Cut the bottom of the cake. Make the shape of the bowl. Finely cut with a knife, and divide this biscuit mass into 6 parts. From each part we make the basis of the lilac flower. Add brown and black dye to the cream part. It will be the color of the bowl. Align the cake. With a trowel with teeth, we make a corrugated surface. I covered the cake and it seemed to me, this color is very light. Behind the scenes I made the color darker, and covered again. Stack lilac blanks. We'll use the middle nozzle, 5-star closed star. Make the first branch of lilac white. Apply a little cream on top. Also in the form of a branch of lilac. And make flowers with a nozzle. The lilac sponge base must be cream. 3 branches of lilacs do not work. With a nozzle, I place the beads at the bottom of the cake. To give tulips a more vibrant look, we will combine several colors. In a small amount of cream, add green and yellow. In another cup we direct lilac and violet colors. Mix a little. Draw purple stripes on the bag, a short distance from each other. Top with lime cream. And in the middle we put the purple lilac cream. On the cake we make a small hill with cream. In the middle above, along the edges below. We send cream to a bag with a tulip nozzle. And we plant tulips in free places from lilacs. The closer to the edge of the tulip, the more it lies. As you move towards the middle, raise the flower up. Leaves for lilacs do rich green. Nozzle use a large leaf. Also a few small leaves plant among lilac flowers. Add a little black to the rest of the green cream. And we will make tulip leaves. I don't know what this nozzle is called, but it is perfect for tulip leaves. Friends, if you liked this video, like, write comments and subscribe to our channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. See you soon.